The next topic of biomolecules, that is primary and secondary metabolites. What is primary metabolites and what is secondary metabolites? Primary metabolites are the types of metabolic product which is formed inside the plants and animals directly, that is known as primary metabolites. We can say these are different elements, that is iron, magnesium, copper, cobalt. These are formed the first primary metabolites. But the secondary metabolites, the compound which is formed from the primary compound से जो compound बनते हैं उनको अपन secondary metabolites कह सकते हैं. Secondary metabolites के अगर अपन examples देखें तो secondary metabolites, that is alkaloids, flavonoids, scents, rubber, gum. These are the different types of secondary metabolites which is formed from primary products. We don't know what is the usage of these secondary metabolites inside the plants and animals, but some of them highly useful for the human beings, just like rubber, gum, stents, alkaloids or antibiotics also. These are very useful for the human being for the different purpose. So the product which is directly formed inside the plant or animals, that is primary product, and from the primary metabolites or from primary product the other compound will form, that is known as secondary metabolites or secondary products. So these two types of product is present inside the plants. Now we studied about the different types of biomolecules. In previous class we studied the units of biomolecules. What is the units? Just like that is of pentose sugar, that is the unit of 1 unit of that is nucleotides. Like we studied that amino acids, that is the unit of protein. We studied that adenosine, guanosine, that is the unit of DNA. So we studied that unit of them or single monomers. But the biomolecules is made up from the many units, not a single molecule. So biomacromolecules, biomacromolecules की अगर अपन बात करें तो the portion which is present soluble in the acid soluble contain fraction that contains 18 Dalton to 800 Daltons. Molecular weight. Normally this is considered as a micromolecules, that's considered as a micromolecules, but acid insoluble mainly, that is protein, carbohydrates, nucleic acid and lipids. These are the present in acid insoluble, but also lipid. Out of these four, the lipid, we exclude the lipid, that is also considered as a micromolecules also, because its molecular weight is less than 1000 Daltons. So broadly these categorized into two groups. the molecules which has less than 1000 Dalton molecular weight, less than 1000 Dalton molecular weight, that is considered as micromolecules, and that has more than 1000 Dalton molecular weight, that considered as a macromolecules. Macromolecules, and especially macromolecules present in the acid insoluble part. Now we studied the different macromolecules. The first is of protein. We all know that protein is the polymer of amino acids. Protein is the polymer of amino acid. It is made up from the amino acids. Means if we find out the unit of protein, that is the amino acids. The protein is homopolymer or heteropolymer. प्रोटीन होमोपोलीमर होता है या हेटेरोपोलीमर होता है? व्हाट इज होमोपोलीमर और हेटेरोपोलीमर? होमो means when our protein the made up from the all similar type of the unit. अगर एक ही टाइप की यूनिट से बनता है तो वो क्या कहलाता है? होमोपोलीमर बनता है. If the protein is made up from different types of units, different types of amino acids, that is of heteropolymer. So normally the protein is of heteropolymer, not is the homopolymer. प्रोटीन के अंदर सारे अमीनो एसिड्स एक जैसे नहीं होते हैं. अमीनो एसिड्स अलग अलग तरह के अमीनो एसिड्स होते हैं. नॉर्मली द अमीनो एसिड्स प्रेजेंट इन द नेचर, दैट इज ऑफ 20. Only 20 amino acids present in nature, and that form all the different types of protein present in the nature. जो ह्यूमन बीइंग में अलग अलग तरह का प्रोटीन है वो सारा इन 20 अमीनो एसिड से बनता है. बट दैट इज दीज डिफरेंट 20 अमीनो एसिड्स which we obtain from the outside, from the nature, but the other type of amino acid is also there in the nature that formed from these 20 amino acids. और भी होते हैं, ऐसा नहीं 20 के अलावा अमीनो एसिड्स नहीं होते हैं, 20 के अलावा भी होते हैं, परंतु वो सारे अमीनो एसिड्स इन 20 से ही बन सकते हैं. These 20 cannot modified, these are naturally present, but other amino acids formed from these 20 amino acids. So these 20 amino acids are essential amino acids. Essential and others are non-essential. So we can categorize the amino acids in two groups. That one is of essential amino acids, another is of non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids we obtain from the nature, from the outside, from the plants as a raw material, and non-essential which we form inside our body with the help of these 20 amino acids. So amino acids is a heteropolymers. It is not a homopolymer. Our body, we can say our body is made up from the protein. The skin is made up from the protein. Hairs is made up from the protein. And other, just like hemoglobin is one type of protein, or complete maximum portion of the body, that skins, bones, hairs, that is the made up from the proteins. If we see the structure of protein, structure of protein. Protein is made up from amino acids. एक अनुमान देखें, गैस देखें, अमीनो एसिड्स से ये बनते हैं। तो बहुत सारे अमीनो एसिड्स एक लाइन में एक दूसरे से अटैच हो जाते हैं और इस तरह से एक पर्टिकुलर टाइप का प्रोटीन बना सकते हैं। इस तरह से एक सिंगल प्रोटीन बना सकते हैं। सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल सेरीन is an amino acids. Another one is of cysteine. Then tyrosine. Then glutamic acid or glutamic. This amino acids having two functional group. One is of NH, another is of CO. In serine, that is CH2OH is there. Another, that is NH, then CO. In this cysteine, that CO, SH. CH2SH, then NH, C, this is CH2, OH, then CO, NH, C, CH2, CH2, CH2OH, CH2, COOH. This is the glutamic acid. Then CO. Suppose these four amino acids, that is serine, cysteine, tyrosine, and glutamic acid, arranged in a single line. That is single line. In this way, in which towards the right end amino group is there and towards left end, that is carbon or carboxylic group is there, which are arranged in a single line, and such type of protein structure is, that is, a primary structure. Primary structure, when all the amino acids join one by one after another in a single line, that is primary structure of the protein. In like this way, this single line. But secondary structure is also there. In secondary structure, these amino acids not present in the single line, they round as a clockwise, like this. If they are round as a clockwise, that structure is known as a secondary structure. And secondary structure is thread-like structure is there, which is round coil-like a clockwise structure. Sometimes tertiary structure is there. Tertiary structure in which these thread-like structure woven like a ball of woolen, in this, like in this structure. So ये इंटरवीन हो जाती है, एक तरफ से बॉल बना लें। अगर ये सिंगल जो थ्रेड था वो एक बॉल बना लेते हैं, उस स्ट्रक्चर को अपन टर्सरी स्ट्रक्चर कह सकते हैं। दैट दिस इज द थ्री डायमेंशनल व्यू ऑफ टर्सरी स्ट्रक्चर। In these three, primary structure, secondary structure, and tertiary structure, only single polypeptide chain is there. Single polypeptide chain. This chain is in straight line, that is a primary. It is helically like coiled and to form secondary structure, and woven like a ball of woolen balls, that is the tertiary structure, which has only single or one polypeptide chains. But if these structure join one more or more than one polypeptide structure, यहाँ एक polypeptide chain है, इसके साथ एक और polypeptide chain इधर जुड़ गई, इधर एक और polypeptide जुड़ गई, that form the quaternary structure. Quaternary structure in which this single structure is there, in which but many polypeptide chains is there inside chains. एक से ज्यादा polypeptide chains होती है उनकी side chain में, उसको quaternary structure कह सकते हैं. For example, hemoglobin. हीमोग्लोबिन तो ये क्वाटरनरी स्ट्रक्चर होता है, उसमें अंदर और भी बहुत सारी चेन लगी हो सकती है. सो प्रोटीन स्ट्रक्चर इज ऑफ 4 types, that is primary structure, secondary structure, and tertiary structure and quaternary structure. But in the protein is always heteropolymers. Heteropolymers means they matter from more than one type of amino acids, and protein having that amino acids having the always two groups is there, one is of NH and another is of COH. This is the normal formula of the amino acids. परंतु इस तरफ एक एमिनो एसिड आके जुड़ जाता है. सपोज हियर वन अनदर एमिनो एसिड इज combined together, H and then NH2, that is of in CR, H and COOH. These two amino acids combine with the help of hydrogen bonds, HH. So here these two will be joined together to form release the water molecules as two molecules, and this bond is known as peptide bonds that form CO and H and then CR H COH and this R H and NH. So this is here these two amino acids joined together with the this is the peptide bonds which is formed by the eliminating of one water molecules. So one by one many amino acids joined together to form the complex types of proteins.